right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to run through the agenda very quickly today. Today is your Chapter 3 test. So just as a reminder that by midnight tonight, that we need to turn in all of our Chapter 3 homeworks on Math Excel. We need to have completed all of our Chapter 3 quizzes and then our Chapter 3 review homework. All of these things are on Math Excel. And the things in red should already be completed. Just go back and make sure that you have those done. If you need the exact assignments listed out, they're in the assignments for those particular items. They're also in the module from yesterday. So if you want the exact assignments listed out, you can go back and see those. But in Math Excel, it's everything that is selected for you to do. If you've got it done for Chapter 3, you have it done. The only thing new today should be what's in blue here, which is the Chapter 3 test. So please take your time doing those problems and complete the Chapter 3 test. Once again, all of this is due by midnight tonight, which is Thursday, October 22nd. That will be all your assignment for today. So if you've got everything in red done, caught up to date, your day is really late, and here you just have the Chapter 3 test. It's a good opportunity if you haven't been able to complete some of these items to go back and make sure that they are complete before you go ahead and do your Chapter 3 test. Remember that you do need to stop back tomorrow for Friday's lesson. We will be starting Chapter 4. So if you have any questions, please make sure that you message me in Canvas. Have a good day.